This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today post-Christmas. Hope you guys had a happy holiday. I think there are still holidays happening, so happy holidays still, yay! And almost New Year's Eve, almost 2024. Things are getting exciting. We're popping out here. I'm in a really good mood this morning, so if you guys are in a good mood as well, make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe, and share the stream out with friends. Check out our lovely sponsors, both Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Links are in the live chat as well as the description. Make sure to use code missteencrypto or code Zesty for 20% off at checkout. Market Cipher. What up, Johnny Bullets? Hello, everyone on TikTok. We have over 300 people. Make sure you guys smash these likes. Give me a follow. Share the stream out with friends. This goes for everywhere. On YouTube, we have a goal of 125 likes, 100 live viewers. I want to say good morning to everyone. Fish Den from X, nice to see you, my friends. Speaking of X, and as we're getting started, as you guys are checking out our sponsors, as you guys are saying good morning to me, I have an issue, my friends, on X, and I'm very frustrated about it. And it's been going on for a long time. I reached out to X support months ago. I got no answers. I talked to X employees. Now, all of a sudden, no answers. People are searching for me. They're trying to report my imposters, but they cannot tag me, and I'm a verified account. You can't search for me. Even Charles Payne, who I was on FLUX with, tried to tag me in a tweet this morning, and he can't find me because I'm search banned. So if you guys could do me a favor and engage with this comment here under an ex-employee's post, I'm sick of it. So I'm just trying to get some engagement here so they could finally pay attention and realize that our community matters and that they shouldn't be shadow banning me because it's not right. I really don't do anything wrong. I post probably the most positive things on X out of all of X creators in terms of crypto. I don't post scams. I don't post anything bad. So I really hope that as a community we could push that comment and get this resolved because it's really like it's you know, I was on something like Fox and now people can't even search for me, and I don't think that's right. So if you guys could, again, make sure you guys engage with that and just please get it somewhere. That would mean a lot to me. I want to say good morning to everybody in the chat. We got All Set. We got Oval. We got Mr. Yee in the chat. Who else we have? All Set, chilling. Randy and Emma beefing as always. All good, though. Chad, nice to see you. Welcome to the stream. Ray K, always good to see you, too. Who else we got in here? My girl, Alexandra G. We love Alexandra G on the channel. She's such a queen. What a queen, Alexandra G. Who else we have in the chat? Tom Allen, always good to see you. What's up? We got Digi. Good morning, Digi. We got Crimson. What's up, Rich? Nice to see you, Sadie. Sometimes Dr. Arlie. Musk bad boy. I don't know. I think Elon, like, you know, I don't know if he's too into Bitcoin and crypto these days, so I don't know if that has something to do with the shadow banning. But I mean, listen, this is like supposed to be a free speech platform, right? So I don't know why I'm being crushed right now, so it's not cool. No, G, you were great on Fox. Thank you, No. I appreciate you. Mrs. Princess said, morning, darling. Hope your Christmas was good. Keep that coffee hot and those coins pumping. Yes, we are. We are getting after it. Hi, Red Man. Nice to see you. Who else? No BS. Nice to see you. Daddy-O, what up? Crypto Cajun, hi. Memory Man. Nice to see you, Crypto Farmer. Irate Fall. Nice to see you. Good morning. Let's see what else. Rolling 69ers. Oh, what a zesty name. Nice to see you. Nash, good morning to you. It's always good to see Nash. Crypto Chef. Who else? I'm definitely missing people. I hope I'm not. If I'm missing you, please make sure you yell at me and you tell me I'm a terrible person because I want to say good morning to you. I want to spread love. Hi, Big Rick over there on TikTok. Favorite altcoin? I have a lot, but I don't know. I don't want to give any advice in any way. Dan R, thank you. Nice to see you. Aaron said, congrats on Fox Biz. Thank you. I appreciate it. Negan MTC signature. She famous out here. You know what? No, the funny thing is I was in my usual Italian deli over the weekends, and they know me. They know what I'm doing, and a lot of them knew I was on Fox. So when I came in the next morning, they were literally asking me to sign their papers in there, which I thought was hilarious. But it's awesome. Try Buffed. Nice to see you. Good morning on X. Daddy-O, Theta had a great Christmas. I know. If anything, you can add me. You can ask me later to look at the chart, and I'll do that. MK, good morning. All right, guys. So we're gonna get after it. We're doing stuff. We're going to look at the latest news. Honestly, there's not too much, but there is some breaking news, so we'll go into that. as people are rolling in. So again, if you're here, make sure you guys smash these likes, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends. Crypto Bagger, thank you for the crown. I appreciate that. That's very pretty. I very much appreciate it. All right, let's get after it, guys. Pimp it. And if you guys are members of the channel, I highly suggest for y'all to drop these member emojis just to show them off, just to know that you are a member and such. Show them off. Don't be scared. Don't be shy. Okay, let's get after it, my friends. Let's get after it. We got FTX news. Listen, FTX, they're trying to come up with this bankruptcy deal. They want to be able to give back supposedly 90% back to the customers, the debtors. But honestly, who can believe them when there's so many contingencies there based on volatility and where they're actually holding this crypto, being that they're staking millions of dollars of Solana and ETH for annual return, when where are they staking it and who gave them permission to do that? We're seeing here that the debtors propose a separate deal with SBF over their embed acquisition. Let's take a look at what's going on. The debtors of FTX proposed a separate litigation in the bankruptcy case over acquiring stock clearing platform Embed. In a December 22nd filing for the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware, the FTX debtors said they reached a proposed settlement with the former SBF CEOs, saying solely with the respect to the claims asserted against him in the Embed processing, the crypto exchange acquired Embed for $220 million through its U.S. arm in June of 2022, despite having performed almost no due diligence. We see here the plaintiff's entry into the agreement is in the best interest of their estates, creditors, and stakeholders, and the agreement should swiftly be consummated. The agreement's terms will cover for the plaintiff's estates 100% of the value conferred by the simple agreements for future equity upon SBF. He's also required to relinquish the rights to and assign to plaintiffs all assets held in his name at Embed. So the proposed agreement would only resolve certain aspects of the bankruptcy case concerning Embed and SBF rather than all the assets the exchange is dealing with as it deals with its creditor claims. So we do see that obviously this is just a small part to make you feel like something is happening in the case when absolutely nothing is happening. Is it a shock? No, because they already recovered over $7 billion at FTX. Oh, thank you for subscribing. They already, again, recovered over $7 billion at FTX, yet has one penny gone back to the people. Instead, they're still staking Solana, they're staking ETH, and a bunch of other coins, moving them around and going to different exchanges. But why are they allowed to move all this cryptocurrency? Are they selling it? Are they accumulating more for some reason? How do we know we can trust the estate? Those are my questions, especially when the IRS already has billions of dollars that they want to take from the creditors before they even get their hands on it. Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. We have Mt. Gox, and I can't even tell you how many times I've heard the same exact headline. I would like to know how true it is and if this is going to go far. I'm talking about Mt. Gox. It appears that they're starting PayPal payments tied back to their 2014 Bitcoin hack. Almost 10 years after being hacked, Mt. Gox crypto exchange appears to be starting to repay customers who lost 850,000 Bitcoin, now valued at around $36 billion. Some participants in the Mt. Gox insolvency subreddit group said they received payouts in yen over PayPal. Others who'd chosen to receive cash into bank accounts said they haven't seen any inflows. The exchange, which launched in 2010 was the world's biggest. When it was hacked in 2014, it was unable to recover about 20% of the stolen funds. Earlier this year, it extended the deadline for payments by 12 months until October of 2024. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Am I surprised? No. But it's a little sus that they're sending it in yen through PayPal, of all things, since PayPal is always a little bit skeptical and they like to watch what's happening concerning cryptocurrency. I also wonder why, again, they're allowed to send it through PayPal, but they're not allowed to send money, or they didn't send money to people who listed their bank accounts. Either way, this is why you cannot trust anything. I don't trust the banks. I don't trust crypto exchanges. I trust myself, which is why we always talk about and promote self-custody on this channel, which is why we're partnered with amazing people like Cake Wallet that are open source and free applications for you to store your cryptocurrency and spend it in a way that's safe. Obviously, please, if you haven't yet, take your crypto off of the exchange. If it means something to you where the exchange shuts down today and you're like, oh my gosh, I needed this money, you should have taken it off. You could always send your cryptocurrency back unless you're actively trading it. Then you could see what's, I guess, going on there. However, Mt. Gox people apparently are getting paid back, but they're not saying how much these people got paid. Now, we are seeing some things. I know someone asked about Mexc. Well, they're having a little bit of issues. A lot of people are saying not to use Mexc crypto exchange, and they're urging some calm because of the deleted CEO account amid reported withdrawal issues. So we see here that they've been forced to hose down speculation over a recently deleted formerly Twitter account under the name Mexc CEO, which some feared could be a sign of trouble at the firm. On December 24th, Mexc wrote a post addressing recent confusion, and some users assumed it belonged to its CEO. They're saying that they're sorry for any confusion, and they would like to clarify the following. Here's the full tweet as well. The CEO, the original CEO, left the position, and the Twitter account was never officially verified by the platform due to its minimal content and followers. So they're saying that this is something to not worry about, and they also said while the account was once held in an official capacity, they left the company, like I said, in July of 2022. They admit it didn't make specific announcement about when that happened, which led to a widespread misunderstanding. And we also see here withdrawals are a bit delayed on Mexc, where a lot of people were saying that. And obviously, we have not really heard much about it. So I've heard some stuff about Mexc already in the past. I would always be cautious. That's why I'm talking about you guys always not trusting exchanges, whether that be something that's established, even the biggest exchanges that you can think of right now. I still don't trust any of them. I don't trust exchanges. I use them for what they're meant for. It's to exchange. It's to exchange your fiat for cryptocurrency or vice versa. You should never rely on anybody to store your wealth and store your money. I feel like that's something we should have learned a long time ago. My friends, we also have some exploits that I would like to cover as well. Again, like I said, there's not a lot of news. So I think it's a little bit of it's a slow day for the news. It's a slow day for the news. However, we got some drama. We got breaking news. And that's Barry Silbert. This man tied up with digital currency group DCG and Genesis, where they owe Gemini a ton of money. Barry Silbert's not taking accountability. He's tied up in a bunch of different messes. Seems here that he resigned as Grayscale chairman and was replaced by somebody else. And this is before the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF is approved. Drama. Grayscale Investment sues application to turn its GBTC Bitcoin Trust into a U.S. spot ETF is being considered by the SEC, and Barry Silbert resigned as chairman and will be replaced by somebody named Mark Schifke. Silbert's DCG, which owns Grayscale, was sued in October by New York Attorney General Tita James for allegedly defrauding more than 230,000 investors, including at least 29,000 New Yorkers, of more than $1 billion. Grayscale did not give a reason for changes in an SEC filing, and DCG's chief financial officer, Schifke, will replace Silbert as of January 1st. So this is big news, guys. Big news. As DCG does own Grayscale, I find it a little bit fun and mysterious that Barry Silbert is now stepping down. Will he also step down from DCG next? Which is my thought here, because obviously Barry Silbert's tied into way too many things. All of these bankruptcies, these Chapter 11s, Barry Silbert always had his hands in it. And I believe DCG also previously owned CoinDesk. I know that Bullish kind of took over that, Tom Farley and all those people from the New York Stock Exchange, now crypto people. Crazy things going on, a lot of twists and turns concerning digital currency group, but it makes me think, how guilty is Barry Silbert, since he really doesn't speak out about anything and doesn't really debunk any of these allegations that are coming towards him? Will this impact Grayscale down the road, even though he stepped down? Mysterious, Barry Silbert. There is someone in the chat, Yahim Stone, saying it's their first time listening. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. It's always great to see you lovely people. And if you guys are also new, make sure you guys smash these likes and say hello in the chat and let me know what you guys think about today and all of these things with Barry Silbert. I'm a little bit confuzzled there. A little bit confuzzled. Oh, hi, Umesh. You want to shout out hello? Nice to see you, my friend. All right, smash these likes, share this stream out with friends. Well, how many likes do we have right now? Let's check that out. We got 63 likes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We need to step this up. Let's get 69 likes. That would be cool. We need 125. That's ideally the goal. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, my friends? Let's talk about a little hack that happened, and I want to make sure you guys are aware of what's going on here. Telcoin apparently had a $1.2 million exploit related to their Polygon wallet implementation. Telcoin price fell about 40% in the past 24 hours after an apparent error relating to a Polygon wallet implementation caused user balances to drop on the Telcoin mobile application. The slide was flagged as an exploit by blockchain security company Mexc. The exploiter managed to make over $1.2 million in funds drained from the affected accounts, according to messages on Telcoin's community on the Discord online forum. However, these were only from users who had never initiated transactions from the Telcoin application. They say that as they develop their financial applications, such as trading and remittance tools, based on Polygon for mobile device users, froze its application in early Asian hours on Tuesday. In a follow-up post, they said the issue was related to how the application interacted with Polygon and that no private keys or sensitive data were leaked. Quote, "We've identified the root cause, which was not an issue with the Telcoin wallet code itself, but the proxy implementation of the wallet on Polygon, primarily impacting wallets that have never initiated transactions. We have deployed a fix to stop further exploitation. It plans to restore all wallets and their previous balances prior to turning the application service back on." Now, I got some miners. I have some smart people in the chat. I got my nerds in the chat. I'm a little skeptical of Telcoin now. How can we trust that if they implement maybe another blockchain, another L2, and you've never touched anything, that your money could go just kaploo and it's not going to be there anymore? I don't understand. I'm a little bit confused. Telcoin, was this something that could have been fixed beforehand? Why wasn't this tested before you rolled everything out and started implementing Polygon? What? This does not make sense. It does not make sense. So please make sure you do your own research. We can take a little gander here at Tel and see what the price is doing, considering this little bit of a mess we've had here. Now, looking at the chart, we're at 0.00184 cents, 17.17% in the green after buyers really defended the 200-day SMA. But it seems here that we had a big drop, red dot printed, and nothing really looks great here in terms of the technicals. As you can see here, we had a big drop from candle open to close, about 28%, and we're making up about half of that right now. So you can see it took a big dip. Just throwing it out there. Just throwing it out there. So you guys know if you're involved in the Telcoin community in any way, you should be able to go check your wallet balances and see what's going on. And hopefully you guys were not affected by this. Guys, what is going on? What is going on in this crazy world? I don't know. I don't know. Tony Call, thank you for the heart, me. Timothy, thank you for the rose and the high bear. That's so cute. I love the bear. I love the bear. Speaking of the bear, that's a good show on Hulu. I'm almost done with it. I just want them to like open this restaurant already, dude. Like I need things to happen in this series. All right. So nice to see everybody again. If there are new people in the stream, I would love to say good morning to you and make sure we acknowledge you lovely people in the stream. What was my favorite Christmas gift? This stream. This was my favorite Christmas gift yesterday. It really was. I really love doing this stream. And yesterday when I got to stream and just like vibe with you guys in the Christmas and just like everything, I really enjoyed it. So that was my favorite Christmas gift was y'all. Ooh, we got Luis Enrique. Thank you for the hearts. Woohoo. Oh, and more. Thank you. That's so cute. It gave me a little kiss on the cheek. Oh my gosh. Sensei, what are my thoughts on Solana? I could look at the chart in a little bit, but I really don't trust the technology. And I think it's only been a year or less since it's had 100% uptime. So I don't really trust the technology that's gone down like 10 times and needs to prove itself in its stability. I like things that I can count on and things that are more decentralized. Solana's not. And there's too many VCs involved. It's just like a VC pimp. You know what I mean? That's how I view it. But not to say that there's not good applications built on it, because there are. Not to say that there aren't good people on Solana, because there are. But it's just not my piece of cake, you know? Thank you for the hearts again, Lewis. I can't, Lewis. Killing me. Guys, make sure you smash these likes as we go into the market recap. We got some performers today. BNB. Everyone thought BNB was dead. Bye, BNB. They slept on her. Slept. But she's doing okay. She's doing all right. It's nice to see some altcoins in the green, but it's normal for us to have a little bit of red, a little bit of a mixture in there, you know. It looks like a nice little Christmas tree. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. We got Bitcoin and other crypto, so we're gonna jump in. Woo! All right, so we got $42,590 Bitcoin, down 2.29%. If you guys have altcoin requests, please throw them in the chat for me, and I will make sure to get this going. I will get them going for you. I want to look at all the coins. I want to look at all the coins for you. All right. Now, we got some things on Market Cipher that aren't making me the happiest squirrel in the world, because I'm just the squirrel in the world. Red dot printed, looking at this momentum just slide, and this view up. No! No, God! I don't want this to go. I need happiness. This needs to swerve, because we swerve when we drive. Listen, man, this RSI needs to pick up. Like, she's slumping big time. It's just giving me sideways. It's giving me lazy. It's giving me bulls are taking a fat nap because they probably drank too much eggnog on Christmas. That's the big problem. Anyway, listen, ideally, we want to bullishly engulf whatever's happening here. We want to make sure we could pump it back up. Pamp it, guys. Pamp it. Pump it up. Goal 44.7, 44.8. And just maintaining really where we're at now. It just seems like we're consolidating yet again with Bitcoin after having a really nice move up, which again, this is what Bitcoin does. It tests our patience and it makes us really want to explode because we want to have some price action. But that's what we got to do. We got to keep calm. We got to hodl on and wait for our next move. Honestly, if we keep getting like some negative action here, especially through Market Cipher giving me some more negatives, I'm hoping we don't go to 40K next, but again, ideally, I'm going to stay in the positive direction. Let's look for that 44.8. I'm really sad. I really just want some price action, but it's okay. We got Ethereum that we tapped our 2340 the other day, and it's just been sliding down ever since. Now, will we go back down and test our 2120? It's possible. But I would like, because how buyers really bought that back up really intrigued me. However, looking on Market Cipher, we're not seeing the best of the zest. As I was describing yesterday, we have a freshly printed red dot. VWAP is down, momentum sliding along with that RSI. We're currently down 1.5% just about. So I'm not getting the best of signals. Can we head towards that 2120 because of these signals, because of the lack of the zest? Probably. But ideally, it's staying above $2,200, $2,220, ideally staying above that and heading back towards our 2340. Hopefully this all reverses because, again, maintaining 2120 as support is absolutely critical. Absolutely critical. Let's look at Litecoin, the right coin, because we love Litecoin. Love Litecoin. Litecoin tested just about our resistance here this morning. Very interesting levels going on with Litecoin. I enjoy Litecoin so much. I really do. Like, she's just, making my heart fuzzy. $73.12, up 1.25%. Again, this is where Litecoin tends to get spicy when the rest of the market's down, and she tends to go the other way because she's a strong, independent woman. She's strong. She does her own thing. She has her own vibe. Now, Litecoin's not understood by most. She's just that girl that no one really understands except for the few. Green dot printed exactly the opposite of Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is giving me that spice that I know Litecoin has. Green dot printed momentum shifting over that zero line with that VWAP making a confident push upward as well with that RSI. I really enjoy that. I really enjoy that. Secluding the RSI for a moment, we were looking for a really nice push. And we're getting that push through that neutral zone going bullish. So listen, if Litecoin starts to rally, that could mean some zesty stuff, because when Litecoin makes big moves, Bitcoin usually follows it. And that's just the pattern. It's not guaranteed. It's just my observations. We were almost tapped, just a few cents away from our $74, around 50-cent resistance. Wow, dude. Freaking wow. Oh my God. I was watching the chart just before we went live. I was like, come on, Litecoin, push it, pimp it up. You got to pump it up. But we didn't. We kind of retraced a little bit back to 73 bucks, but 74, that's the sweet spot, right, Timothy? Skirt to you too. We're looking for that $74.55 and pushing for that $74.90 200-day SMA. The bulls got to pamp it. Because again, if we could just blast through that 200-day SMA, that's what we've been missing with Litecoin. Been hanging right below it. It's like that hanging fruit right there, where Bitcoin, Ethereum, we've been above it. We've been there. We've done that. But Litecoin needs to conquer. Litecoin needs to get above her fears. She needs to say, I'm finished with the $70 range. I'm pamping. And we're going to see that hopefully soon. Hopefully soon we can see that with Litecoin. We need to get the 200-day SMA going. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are so beautiful. Oh, let's go to Dogecoin. Dogecoin just above 9 cents. I was telling y'all about this level here at 0.086 where we could possibly see, I guess, some reaffirmation there in terms of the support. But ideally, you guys know where my heart lies. It's 9.5 cent Dogecoin. And it seems here that we just tapped that yesterday, but the bears took over and we just couldn't maintain it. And we're sideways trading big time. 9.5 cents, that's the warm and fuzzy part of Dogecoin. Looking here, we're seeing a Christmas tree action beyond belief. We tried to retrace and it's just not giving a lot of coolness right now, because we got that red dot printed. After we saw some hope with the green dot, we got crushed. VWAP is down, not staying above that zero line. Bears seem to be stepping in because this money flow is dwindling. And if we look at the RSI, we'll exclude her for a moment. This is bearish territory. This is heading towards neutral zone. And if we keep pushing below this, I'm a little nervous. I would like to curve back up. That's ideally the situation. That's what we want to see with Dogecoin. We'll see what happens. Maybe it just takes a fat dip, goes into oversold, and we have an incoming uptrend. But this is really where we're at, and my heart's not warm and fuzzy until we're at 9.5 cent Dogecoin. I'm just telling you that. Just letting you know where my heart lies. I wouldn't lie to you. Get it? Lies, lying. Let me see what's going on. I got some requests out here. I just did Dogecoin. Let's do Solana, because I saw someone ask for that first. So Solana, again, what goes up must come down. That's called gravity out here. We got $112.28 Solana, down 7.22%. Again, if you thought Solana was going to keep pamping forever, then you just learned about the market, because again, you cannot keep pamping without a retrace at some point. Solana had a great run, don't get me wrong. So if you were a part of this run, you were seeing this kind of, I don't want to say parabolic, but really great run here, then you had to expect a retrace at some point. If you didn't, you were in Delulu land. Now, looking here, we got some signals here that we got to point out, which is this freshly printed red dot, RSI taking a dip, and then VWAP below the zero line. Makes total sense, and again, what goes up must come down. We had a wick high yesterday of $126, a lot of things to talk about at the Christmas table if you were happy and your bags were pamping. However, again, I would love to establish support at $104, $105, because again, that's really where we had some tips back here all the way dating back to finding support here in August of 2021 and failing to do that throughout January to April of 2022, which ultimately brought us down to the lows of January. And that was like, the FTX stuff, all of that, But $104 finding support is ideal, and actually staying at that level and maintaining it after this huge run is pretty good. But anyways, I would like to ideally find some more ground at 94 bucks as well. But if it falls below $100, it might be a struggle, since again, that's a huge psychological level. But those are just my thoughts. Bullish scenario though, if it continues to go up, the next major level is like 133 bucks. Oh, Lewis with the hearts. I cannot. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It likes you, Moose. I can't with you, Noji. You make me laugh in the comments. You do. Hold on. Let's see. We got Divi. All right, let's do some Divi. Divi. All right, let's get Divi. I don't know if I have a chart ready for Divi. No. Okay. So give me a moment. Let me go take a gander at Divi. Because there are some levels here that are pretty significant, but it's pretty hard to chart this thing when... Yeah, it's pretty hard to chart this thing, considering that, like, it just really hasn't done too much. Let's see. I'm just trying to give you the best of the answers that I can give you, you know what I mean? Oh, Lewis, I can't with the hearts. You're killing me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate you very much. All right, so let's look at, like, the current levels of Divi, and then we could kind of go into the past and see what was happening then. Now, we know that Divi had, like, a nice high in the past, you know? We could go to class, and then we got high. Do. You can see here that this candle high, if this was all the data here on a Qcoin, had a high of around 14 cents, and then again it just really started crushing itself. Once it fell below the 200-day SMA for real in April of 2022, it's just been a complete downfall, and we really haven't been able to conquer the 200-day SMA again until recently at the end of October, and again the beginning of December, really. So what was important was finding support here at 0.004 cents, and we kind of didn't do that. We kind of like blew through it, went right up to this resistance of 0.007 that dates back here to March 7th of this year. Sheesh. Ideally, finding support at 0.005 and maintaining like this price action would be great, but you got to find support somewhere. And if that's 0.004 cents, then that's great. And so you could have a more confident move on the upside and kind of fill the gaps in between that you kind of left here, since it was just kind of very speedy throughout this price action. We could look at what's going on here. We're down 16%, and it makes sense because the RSI curved downwards. Wrong curvature, but in the wrong way, my friends. Red dot printed, money flow down, and that VWAP down. So I'm not really seeing like the most bullish of signals here. And after a run like this, it is normal to retrace, but I hope if you, again, retrace 0.004 cents and you come back up, and the buyers can kind of defend these levels, since, again, you don't want to go back to the all-time lows, considering that is scary AF. Very scary, very scary. Make sure you guys pump these likes, man. Let's pamp it up. I just did Solana, Doge, Divi. All right, let's do BNB. BNB is next. All right. BNB, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. My mama takes care of me. ABC. All right, so we got BNB, $298.50, 11.8% in the green. People said it was dead. They got flushed out of the toilet. Interesting things happened. We came down to $200 BNB all the way over here in October, and even before that in June of 2022. Now, we know there was major FUD, and we were worried about this level, $204, because what's below that? What was the major level below that? And that was $125 BNB. We were very scared of that on this channel. We were like, oh my gosh. However, the Binance ecosystem is prevailing above the 200-day SMA since the 7th of December. Buyers defended that here on the 19th. And it seems like we were trying to find support at $270. If we were to retrace, that's ideally where I want to find that support. And then bullishly, we're still heading towards that direction, it seems like now, which is $309. And that level dates back to when we rejected it in May of this year. So we've sideways traded at that level, even going back all the way here to where we were trying to find support from... Was this February? Yes, from February of 2021 all through July of 2021. So we've spent a long time at this level, $310. So hopefully that can maintain over here. Oh my gosh, Lewis, you gave me Lucy the llama. That is adorable. Thank you so much. I love that. I actually love that. So those are our levels, maintaining support at 269 and going up to 309 if that's the most bullish case. Because we got some really nice signals, green dot, amazing stuff going on here for BNB. Really good stuff. I'm gonna send that to my trader friend. I gotta show that to them. I'll do that later. I'll remember later. Okay. All right, let's go to render. Oh, Lewis, again, I love that so much. You have no idea. I actually like really enjoy that. Okay, render. Let's look at render. What the actual... Hold on. I got this somewhere. Don't fool me. I'm going to do this. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding? This is a lie. This is a lie. It's not a lie. I have it. Okay, cool. All right. So I got to save this to my freaking watch list because I'm never going to freaking... Okay, there we go. Watch list. There we go. All right, so we got $4.94 render. Very exciting. 6.88%. Almost 6.9% in the green. It's 6.9% in the green now. All right, cool. So looking here at what's going on, we were looking, all right, are we going to find support again at $3.17 and boost ourselves back up to $4.05? It seems like we almost did that. Very close to doing that. Bam. Huge cup and handle. Bam. Really cool. I'm actually like interested a lot in this chart. Now, looking here, green money flow, green dot printed, RSI booming, VWAP booming. So it's one of the few that are really doing good today. Ideally, we want to solidify support at $4.05, but it seems like buyers are defending it pretty well as for right now. And the signal, or not really signal, the level we were really looking for before, and we've been outlining this for quite a while, was $5.27. That's our bullish scenario. And again, it dates back all the way to when we rejected it, and we're really struggling with it from December of 2021 all the way through January of 2022. So it was a solid like 1 month, about a month and a half that we were struggling here. So I would look at this level. It's highly significant. And if we could get past it, then we were pretty much going to go and probably test levels leading up to your all-time high, which is maybe around $6. So we'll see what happens then. But this is really our goal. Maintain $4.04 as support, and ideally go to $5 and what is this? 28 cents, 30 cents. That's the goal. That's how beautiful this all is. I'm so excited. Go render. Go render. That's a nice chart, dude. That's a nice chart. I like it. I like it. All right, what's next? Oh, quant. All right, let's go to quant. Oh, earbud. See, the earbuds, they just like run out of my ear. They're like, I don't want to stay here anymore. I don't want to stay here. All right, let me see. QNT. Holy. Woo-hoo! I can't. Wow. Absolute craziness. Okay. All right. If you want to be like that, Quant, if you want to be like that, we can be like that. All right. We got things to break down here. And I'm warning you. This is zesty. Quant. Testing critical levels. And that level? Wow. We're at $146.95 quant. 7.27% in the green. Holy sheesh. Explosion. Right past where we were looking at again, because we were saying that this resistance here at $118, it dates back all the way here. Even as far as to go back to when we first tested it in June of 2021. So it's been an issue for years. And we just blew right past it, which means that buyers are very happy. Proving that. Green dot printed a few days ago, bring that momentum up, RSI is up. The only thing that's not giving me the best of the zest is that VWAP. If that curves back over, maybe we could have some more pop. But it seems like a lot of bullishness has been exhausted here. Money flow's still looking good, though. Man, testing, rejecting a little bit of 152, 151. Again, that was where we failed to find support back here in January of this year. Again, in November of 2022, and even dating back when we were finding it as support in August of 2021, that really brought us to our highs. Excuse me. Where'd you go, sir? What? Am I crazy? Where did my chart go? Okay, let's try this on another tab. What the actual? Where did my charts go? Can anybody help me? What is going on? I'm so confused. Uh-oh. I don't know what happened. Right click, reset. Right click, reset chart. Yeah, I have no idea. No, it's not working. What happened? I don't know what happened, guys. This is crazy. Oh, wait. I don't know. Hold on. I see I got, like, my candles over here, but it's on top of my chart. Hold on, I gotta look at the chat. Yeah, I have no idea. Like, I have no idea. Like, look, you guys see, like, my candles are missing here, but they're over here. What is going on? Are you serious? Drag them back. What do you mean? What the? Okay, hold on. I'll check Discord. Oh, okay. Yeah, the little arrow is not working. What the? Are you kidding me? I'm so confused. Are all the charts the same? Yeah, look, my candles are down here. Yeah, reloading does not help. I cannot believe this. What happened? What is happening? Yeah, I have no idea. This is so frustrating. Wow. Dude, no way. Freaking no way. Yeah, I have no idea. Let me see. Okays. Well, this is fun. Move to existing pane above. Hold on. I gotta figure this out. Okay. Like, where do you click? Over here. I don't know. Where do we... This is crazy. I don't know. I think, oh, wow. This is crazy. So it happened on the app. Wow. Okay. Well, I gotta, I guess, close the browser, reload it, maybe. I don't, like someone is saying in here. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I'm very sad. I really want to do charts with you guys. I just don't understand. It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. It won't work. Look. Nothing. All right. Well, I guess I just got crushed by TradingView. Dang, man. I'm so frustrated. Yes, I did reset the chart. Press undo until it's fixed. I don't know. I kept doing undo. I don't know what I did. Wow, this is crazy. Because look, it's literally like all my candles over here. The ticker is over here. Like, I didn't ask you to be over there. Like, I didn't ask for that. So I'm just a little confused. Wow, I cannot believe this. This is crazy.
Welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Press undo until it's fixed.
Dave, what is happening? Oh my gosh. Hello, Pickaboo. I see you in the chat. I am frustrated, Pickaboo. All right, well, I guess I got rogued by TradingView. Yeah, it might be Gary. You can click right and move to existing pane. Dustin, how do you do that? How do you do that? Okay. Oh, wait. All right. Visual order. Okay, hold on. I see something in okay. All right, so what do you do after that? Move to existing pane above. Uh-oh. No, that's not good. No, that wasn't good. Let's redo that. That just brought my market cipher up. Wow, this is crazy. Yeah, it doesn't work. Wow, this is crazy, dude. It doesn't work. It just, who sent that? Chad in the chat. It moved the market cipher up. Not, are you serious? Yeah, I don't know. This is crazy. Look, I'll show you. Okay, right clicking. Move to existing pane above. Still, my candles are missing. Yeah, I got nothing. Oh, wait. Are we back? Holy sheesh, we're back! Guys, we freaking did it! I need a freaking cookie after that. I need a freaking cookie. Thank you for helping me fix it. Thank you. I'm so freaking fun. Like, how did this freaking happen? Explain to me. What were we doing? What was the chart? All right. So everything's still here. What was the chart we were doing? I gotta go back to that. Freaking poop, man. I think it was Quant. Was it Quant? Was it Avalanche? I don't even remember. Let's just go to Avalanche. Let's just freaking go to Avalanche. So Avalanche is pretty interesting, dude. So, I freaking can't. Thank you guys so much. It was too much. Thank you, chat. Thank you, everyone in the chat. I appreciate you so freaking much, dude. Wow. That was crazy. I'm so happy that you guys helped me fix that because my candles, I was like, where did they go? All right. Hopefully we never go through that again. Why is my volume so big now? That's the question I have. Why is this so big? Is there a way to fix that? Is there a way to fix the volume? Hopefully we're all good. But you see the volume has been coming in pretty nice. We tested our $48.54 resistance. Again, dates back to May of 2022. So hopefully we could go beyond that and just see what happens here. But yeah, testing that and then bullishly going to $56, which again, we had like a wick high of 53 the other day. So we see that there's definitely a buyer interest, but we'll see what happens then. We'll see what happens then. But yeah, $48, testing it, rejecting it. I just want to make sure, if anything, we establish support at $41 again. Yeah, I don't know. I know that's a lot of volume, man. I know it's a lot of volume. I don't really know what happened here. Let's see if we can reset it. There we go. Yeah, now it's back to normal. Cool. Yay. All right, what's next? Okay, let's go to TIA. All right, I fixed the volume indicator. I fixed it. All right, TIA. Let's see what's going on there. Okay. What's the best exchange for this one? It's on Coinbase, but I feel like I see it's on Binance. I just don't think there's enough data for this one, my friend. Because, yeah, there's like no data here. I really can't tell you anything about it because it's pretty much in price discovery. This is very, very new. Very new. Thank you, Timothy, for the donut. I love donuts. Yeah, this is too new, man. literally launched on Halloween, so there's really not much you can look for other than reestablishing support at $11.71 and going back up. There are green dots and stuff, but that's really all I could tell you is that we're in price discovery. Just craziness. Just craziness. But yeah, this is too new. I really can't tell you anything about it, unfortunately. Runaway Flying Tiger said it's too new. Billy said post-Christmas vibes. Yes, we love post-Christmas vibes. Let's see. I meowed 10 times. Emma didn't see. Everything is fine. Oh no, Pickaboo. It's okay. Don't worry about it. I did quant already. DNX, if I didn't already. Yeah, okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. DNX. Yeah, okay. So we were looking at some interesting levels here for Dynex. $64, not $64, 64 cents. We're 5.69% in the red. We see here that we're failing to stay above the 200-day SMA, which literally just formed because, again, this coin is very new. So, again, there's really not much I can say about it other than reestablishing support at 55 cents if it continues to reject, especially because we're seeing curvature in the wrong way in terms of the VWAP right now. We're not seeing the best of VWAP. Red money flow just deep in the red, and that red dot. Let's look at the RSI. The RSI is deep in the red right now. Let's see. RSI, man. Ooh, basically almost in oversold territory. So we're deep in the trenches here. So again, reestablishing support at maybe 55 cents and coming back up since it's rejecting the 200-day SMA. Other than that, I would like to reestablish support and test 77 cents. That would be fun. That would be fun. Let's see. If you were any other creator, I'd ask you to look at a certain 3-letter meme coin, but out of respect, I'm asking you to look at, oh no, Dave. No, I won't participate in that one. I won't participate in that one. What about Animal? What about LTCN? Oh yeah. Let's talk about that right there. Let's talk about that. Grayscale Litecoin Trust is trading like crazy. So we could actually take a look at that animal. I'm actually very happy that you told me to look at this one because I think it's something that should be talked about since, again, if you look back at what the Grayscale CEO was saying in August, I believe the interview was, he was on CNBC, and what he was saying is that Gary Gensler, the reason why he really doesn't want to approve all of these ETFs is because it opens Pandora's box as to all the other digital trusts that he wants to have as ETFs. And this includes like Solana, the Litecoins, and so many others. So, of course, I do think that there will be a Litecoin ETF, probably right after an Ethereum and Bitcoin ETF, considering that Litecoin is the longest running blockchain with no downtime, and it's really one of the most stable coins in the space and the best technology. And why wouldn't it get an ETF? Literally, it's ridiculous if it didn't. Now, looking here, we have like kind of this crazy move here with the Grayscale Litecoin Trust up 16.69%, a little just over that, $15.88 right now. We're looking here. We got really great signals, green dot, everything pumping, the VWAP, money flow, even the RSI is just maybe topping out. We'll see what happens there. It's pretty much at an all-time high. We established support again at $9.15, pushing through that $13.30, where again we had some troubles and rejected it back here in December of 2021. So obviously this trust has been around for a really long time. Bullish, we're testing $17.45. Again, we had a struggle there to maintain it as support for a while back in 2021, and we haven't been back there since. We're above the 200-day SMA with confidence, so ideally we're establishing support at $13.34. And then bullish scenario, we're going to test $17.54. And it seems like, again, with these signals, we could have the push for that. So that's very interesting. All right, let's see. Oh gosh, it's Creighton. Cookie and Kitten. I can't, dude. I can't with you. Dustin Singer. Hello, everyone. Hello. Let's see. Hi, Alex O Crypto. Nice to see you. Welcome to the stream, True. Tyler on Gaming. Who else? Did I shout everyone out? Lazarus, War Player, Dr. Arlisa. Wahoo! We love that. We like to woo on this channel. Woo! What else? Do we have anyone else that I missed in the chat? Anyone else, my friends? Andy S is in here. Hi, Andy S. I think I got everybody. I think I said hello. But how many likes do we have? Do we have 125 yet? Because we need 125, especially after Christmas. We have 122. I cannot believe. I cannot believe. Listen, Cretan, you didn't catch anything. Potato vocals for your mental health.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse.
There you go. David, nice to see you. Hi, Michael, in the chat. Your body's ready to rave, but I don't know if the like button is ready to rave. Oh, we do. We have 125. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's rave. If you guys are ready to rave, make sure you guys put that in the chat. Hi, Meezer Mom. All right, let's put rave. Let's put that rave. Let's put that rave in the chat. Put that rave in the chat. Put that rave in the chat. We need to rave. We need to rave. We need to rave in the chat. Do 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 do.
Woo!
That was a good one. I enjoyed that one very much. Luke, I look Brazilian and Jewish. Half of that is correct, not the Brazilian part. B. Rudo, hello, nice to see you. Ethan, good morning, Ethan. Nice to see you, Ethan. Quote the spice. Yeah, we like to spice in here. You know, spice is important. Cool Cat Crypto, nice to see you. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to go to the gym today. I can't wait to like put up more videos. I can't wait to like do a lot of things. So I do have stuff to take care of, right? Crypto Experiences by St. Jerome. You guys are amazing. I appreciate every single one of you. I really do appreciate you. My moves are not better than Shakira. I thank you though. No, I appreciate you. Guys, I do have to get going. If you haven't yet, make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and share this stream out with friends so more people know what's going on with Bitcoin and crypto and everything in that matters. I will be back tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. Eastern. You know the vibe. I'll always be here for you. I'll see you guys. Have a great day. Again, smash the like, subscribe, share this stream out with friends, and stay zesty and rave. Get after it. Peace.